We are incredibly proud that the M2 V3 Pro has set new standards in the world of micro-helicopters. Now, we bring this pro-level machine to a wider audience. Introducing the M2 V3 Sport. The upgraded OFS 3 Plus flight controller now comes with an integrated Express LRS receiver. M2 V3 Sport is powered by the same amazingly powerful motor for incredible tail performance. The main rotor blades give enhanced flight stability, especially benefiting less experienced pilots. In addition, attitude mode and the rescue function help beginners achieve a fast, confident learning curve. Our top priority was keeping the M2 V3 Sport and Pro models 100% parts compatible. The perfect affordable RC helicopter to start and improve your flying. M2 V3 Sport